Alright, just teach my buddy, his wife's how to put coilovers. We're just gonna use Racelands for now. Probably upgrade him later down the road with KW or BC Racings. And now we're gonna test fit the 350 small block. We took the automatic trans. It came out of a Silverado. My guy said that this is all freshly rebuilt. Now we're gonna test fit it in the 350Z right now. Alright, we got it close enough, but we're gonna start taking off the exhaust manifolds because it's hitting there and over here. And we're gonna start taking these off. Alright, this is how it sits right now. We're just mocking it up. It definitely needs some headers. Probably gotta relocate the oil filter housing and probably a different oil pan, and get some custom engine mounts for this, and trying to find a 6-speed or sequential transmission to work on it. Doesn't look too bad. We'll be done for today. We're gonna research more what do we need in custom engine mounts for this 350 and figure out what transmission we're gonna be using. That later down the road we're gonna start playing with that again with the tune. That's pretty much it right now. The 350, we want to look for an EFI kit to make it drivable. And stay tuned, guys. Have a nice day, night, weekend, where you guys are from. Drive safe and stay dirty.